Living in Kendall offers the best of South Florida: warm weather, outdoor living, and vibrant neighborhoods. But it also means preparing your home for hurricane season and unpredictable storms. While many homeowners focus on windows, patio doors are just as important when it comes to protecting your property. Impact-resistant patio doors are specifically designed to withstand severe weather while enhancing security, energy efficiency, and everyday comfort. For Kendall homeowners, they're more than an upgrade, they're a smart investment in safety and peace of mind. Built to withstand hurricane conditions during a hurricane, flying debris poses one of the greatest threats to your home. Standard patio doors with traditional glass can shatter upon impact, leaving your home exposed to wind, rain, and dangerous pressure changes. Impact-resistant patio doors are constructed with laminated glass that includes a durable interlayer bonded between two panes. Even if the outer layer cracks from debris, the inner layer holds the glass together, preventing it from shattering and maintaining a protective barrier. This strength helps preserve your home's structural integrity during high winds, a critical feature in Kendall's hurricane-prone climate. Protecting against wind pressure: when a door or window breaks during a storm, wind can rush into the home and create internal pressure. This pressure may lead to roof damage or structural failure. Impact-resistant patio doors are engineered to handle both direct impact and sustained wind loads. By remaining intact, they help prevent sudden pressure changes inside your home, reducing the risk of extensive storm damage. For Kendall families, this added protection offers reassurance during storm season. Year-round security benefits: impact-resistant patio doors don't just protect against storms, they enhance security every day of the year. The same laminated glass that resists hurricane debris also makes forced entry more difficult. Unlike traditional glass that shatters easily, impact glass stays intact even under repeated force. Combined with reinforced frames and multi-point locking systems, these doors provide an added layer of defense for your home. Energy efficiency: in a warm climate, Kendall's hot and humid climate means your air conditioning system works hard throughout much of the year. Modern impact-resistant patio doors are built with energy-efficient features such as double-pane insulated glass low-E coatings to reduce solar heat gain, tight weather stripping to prevent air leaks. These features help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce heat transfer. As a result, your home stays cooler and more comfortable, and your cooling system operates more efficiently. Reducing outside noise: living near busy streets or active neighborhoods can mean dealing with outside noise. The laminated glass used in impact-resistant patio doors also provides sound dampening benefits. Many homeowners notice a quieter indoor environment after upgrading. This added comfort enhances relaxation and improves everyday living. Maintaining style and natural light: impact-resistant patio doors are available in a variety of styles, including sliding and French designs. Large glass panels allow natural light to fill your home while maintaining clear views of outdoor spaces. Modern frames come in various finishes to match your home's architecture and design preferences. You don't have to sacrifice style for protection, you can enjoy both. Meeting South Florida building standards: impact-resistant patio doors are manufactured to meet strict South Florida building codes. Installing compliant products ensures your home aligns with local safety requirements and may also support insurance benefits. A smart investment for Kendall homes. In Kendall, storm preparedness is essential. Impact-resistant patio doors provide powerful protection against flying debris, wind pressure, and water intrusion, while also enhancing security, energy efficiency, and noise reduction. For homeowners who want to safeguard their property without compromising style or comfort, impact-resistant patio doors offer a durable and dependable solution. It's an upgrade that protects what matters most: your home and your family, season after season.